Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's an origami flapping crane. Hello guys, it's me, Jolly from JollyCrafts. And today, I am going to show you how to fold an origami crane and an origami flapping crane. If you want to support my channel, then hit that like button and smash subscribe. Let's get started. So, the size I am using today is 15 times 15 cm. Step 1, turn it over. Step 2, fold it in half, bottom corner to top corner. Step 3, fold it in half again. Step 4, unfold. Step 5, open one of the halves and put your finger inside it. Then, move it to the middle and then squash it. It should look like a square. Turn it over and repeat. Move it to the middle, open it, and then squash it. It should look like that. Step 5. Fold the two corners to the center. You should be making a kite fold. Repeat on both sides. Step 6. Fold the top to both sides. Then unfold. Step 7. Unfold the two kite folds that you made on both sides. Step 8. Open the top layer on one side. It should look like this. Then shape the two sides and then squash it down. It should look like this. Repeat on the other side. Open the top layer and squash. Step 9. Find the part where you can move both sides like this. And then do a kite fold on both sides. Repeat on the other side. Step 10. Fold the two top corners down. Step 12. Open up the two sides. It should look like this, and it doesn't matter if it's perfect because we will switch it back again. Turn it up like this. Step 13. Fold the top corners down. Step 14. Open the two sides again. You can take a while to organize the face properly. Then fold the beak, hold the opening, and squash it down. Then fold it in half again. And then you're done your normal crane. Now, if you want to do the flapping crane, you will need to start from step 8 of your normal crane. Step 9. Fold to 1/2 as a kite fold, like this. Leave the other half unfolded. Step 10. Open one corner and squish it like this, and then fold it up. This will be the head. Step 12. Do the same for the other side. Step 13. Fold the beak like in the normal crane. And then you're done. How to use it? You hold this area and then you hold the tail. Take a while to adjust it because it might not flap as well at the beginning. But a tip here is to not actually fold these two corners down, but just bend them a bit. And then you're done. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.